Meet TruTEX, the latest innovation from Tarkett that is beautiful and healthy for those you love most. TruTEX is part of Tarkett's unique luxury sheet flooring collection. It's waterproof, mold-resistant, with superior performance, making it ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, and basements. TruTEX is healthier for your home and your family. It's comfortable to underfoot, installs in just a fraction of the time of other floorings. It's easy to clean, and most of all, TruTEX is beautiful for your home. With realistic stone and wood designs, TruTEX luxury sheet flooring is truly a modern floor for modern life. TruTEX protects against moisture from above and below, backed by an additional AquaGuard 2 years no questions asked warranty against moisture staining along with a lifetime warranty. TruTEX unique backing doesn't trap moisture under the floor. Instead, it absorbs the moisture and sends it to the perimeter of the flooring where it evaporates, while preventing mold and mildew. When Tarkett seam sealer is used, water is unable to reach the subfloor. The unique surface acts like a virtual pool liner for your floor. It took 2.5 years of extensive research by Tarkett R&D engineers and comprehensive testing to ASTM standards to develop the TruTEX moisture performance technology. The ASTM G21 standard tests the resistance of TruTEX to mold and mildew growth. Mold spores were incubated and placed on the back of TruTEX flooring for 28 days. The results? TruTEX showed 0 mold or mildew growth on the back of the product. It's easy to see why the TruTEX moisture management system enhances the life, beauty, and performance of your floors. In addition to its moisture management properties, the TruTEX backing is beyond tough. The backing offers superior performance against rips, tears, and gouges. Plus, it dampens sound for a quieter, more peaceful room. While other floors can feel cold and hard, our soft textile backing makes TruTEX flooring feel warmer and more comfortable to walk on. Sensitive to allergens in your home, TruTEX floors are environmentally friendly for your family and pets. They are made with low VOC materials and are certified asthma and allergy friendly, exceeding all air quality standard regulations, even those for schools and hospitals, so you can breathe easy for years to come. And nothing cleans easier than a TruTEX floor. TruTEX can be installed in as little as 2 hours, just a fraction of the time it takes to install other vinyl tile, vinyl plank ceramic tile flooring, laminate, or wood. TruTEX unique floating technology installs directly over many types of existing hard surface flooring. It can also be installed over single floor construction, using the ProSheet Plus 3 underlayment as a foundational layer. In addition, thanks to TruTEX floating technology, if you decide you want a decor update in the future, you can replace your existing TruTEX floor with a new TruTEX floor quickly and inexpensively. With over 20 exciting designs, the moisture performance system, AquaGuard mold and mildew resistance, beyond tough strength, safe, family-friendly materials, quick, easy installation, and so much more, TruTEX luxury sheet flooring is a modern floor for modern life.